I like the students who ask the questions. My students usually ask the questions. I love giving them the answers when they ask the questions. My name is Harpreet Jatul, and I am a PSW instructor, clinical instructor. And basically my role is teaching my students, giving them demonstrations about the procedures that they should have performed in the real life situations. I'm more to the practical part here. There are a total of 16 chapters that we taught. For example, if I talk about how to do bed making to make sure that our residents stay nice and clean in the bed, and bathing. In bathing, what we do is giving them a shower. It would be in a bed or in the shower room so that they look presentable. Also, if I talk about other procedures, that would be toileting, grooming, brushing, and lifting. Most important is lifting, how we can lift our patients. We are teaching them how to become a competent by providing dignity and respect to our residents and the patients while they are working in a facility.